Law and former Justice of the Court of Appeal of the Republic of Gambia, Professor Akinwale Orifowomo, has called for unconditional judicial independence in Nigeria to preserve constitutional democracy in the country. A senior reporter, Rafi Hamed, tells us more.
It's the 8th edition of the annual Moses Inolaji Abuaba Trust Foundation lecture with the theme, The Judiciary and Constitutional Democracy in Nigeria, Developmental Implications. Professor Akinwale Orifowomo said judicial independence and accountability must be upheld to ensure all arms of government operate without interference or undue influence. He stressed the need for the National Judicial Council to preserve the integrity of the judicial system by investigating allegations of corruptions and insulating judicial officers from actions capable of bringing the institution into disrepute.
A constitution alone is insufficient. It requires political will, judicial independence, and civic vigilance to transform constitutional text into a democratic reality. When faithfully implemented, written law becomes a living instrument guiding the nation towards justice, stability, and democratic legitimacy.
Osun State Governor, represented by Secretary to the State Government, Teslim Igbalayi, admitted that political influence remains a burden on Nigeria's judicial system and called for robust reforms to strengthen judicial independence.
I will put all the blames on we politicians. Not that the judiciary, they don't know what is right or what is wrong, but the influence of we politicians on them is not much, too much.
Other speakers at the event maintained that the sustainability of constitutional democracy depends on strong institutions and individuals guided by conscience, competence, and commitment to national service.
We must kindly acknowledge the challenges confronting the judiciary, including the issue of independence, funding, capacity, delay in the administration of justice, and increasing political and social pressures.
Educated that as much as possible we should allow the functioning of full independence of the judiciary, and that the judiciary should not be perverted through unwholesome influence, either by politicians or even by lawyers. That when they say they decide a case, it's a case that can stand the test of time.
The event marks the 86th birthday celebration of the convener, who was the pioneer head of service and secretary to the Osun State government. Rafi Hamid, TVC News, Osogbo.